Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 266. So first of all, from the world of finance, the national living wage is set to rise by 6.6%. It's currently £8.91 per hour, so what is the new hourly rate going to be? Well, first of all, we need to work out the wage rise, so 6.6% of £8.91. So we can find 1% first by dividing by 100, and then we can find 6.6% by multiplying the 1% by 6.6. So using your calculator and rounding to two decimal places because it's money, that's a wage rise of 59 pence. So to get the new minimum wage, we add this rise onto the current rate of £8.91, so it comes to £9.50. So now on to the world of engineering. So Dubai has opened up the world's tallest Ferris wheel, and we've been asked to work out the maximum number of passengers it can hold. So 43 capsules filled to capacity, where each capsule can hold a maximum of 40 passengers. So that means that first of all we've got 43 lots of 40 passengers, which is 1,720. So we can work out the remaining capsules now by taking the 43 away from the 48, which is 5 spare capsules, each holding an average of 6 passengers each. So that's going to be 5 lots of 6 passengers, which is another 30. And add the two of those figures together, we get a maximum capacity of 1,750 passengers. Another interesting stat that's not in the story is that it actually takes 38 minutes to go around the ride, so you'll certainly get your money's worth there. Okay, so on to our business story. So A&W are the oldest burger chain in America, founded in 1919, and in the 1980s they brought out a third pounder burger to compete with McDonald's quarter pounder burger, but many American consumers were confused as they wrongly assumed that a quarter was bigger than a third. Who would have thought? So first of all, we have to explain why a third is bigger than a quarter. So we can't really compare fractions with different denominators. So what we're going to do is we're going to change them into decimal equivalents. So a third is 1 divided by 3, which is 0.33333. A quarter is 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. So we can clearly show that since 0.3333 is greater than 0.25, then we can confidently say that a third is greater than a quarter. So they're now bringing out a new burger for a new marketing ploy. They're bringing out the 3/9 pounder burger. So that's obviously an equivalent fraction of a third. So if we multiply top and bottom by 3, we get that equivalent fraction of 3/9. But they think that there'll be no confusion now that 3/9 is definitely going to be bigger than a quarter. So we're asking, can we think of 5 other fractions that can be used to name the burger? So we can create as many equivalent fractions as we want. If we multiply top and bottom by 2, we get 2/6. So if we start with the third again and multiply top and bottom by 4, we get the 4/12 pounder burger. Times in top and bottom by 5, we get the 5/15 burger. We could go on. Multiply top and bottom by 6, we get the 6/18 burger. Multiply top and bottom by 7, we get the 7/21 burger, etc., etc. So 8 over 24, 9 over 27, something like that. So we'll watch this story with great interest because I thought it was a fantastic wee bit of how not knowing your fractions can come back to haunt you in later life. So on to a sports story. So Cristiano Ronaldo's pregnancy announcement is the most liked Instagram post by a sports person. So 22.1 million likes for Lionel Messi's previous held record. So Cristiano Ronaldo's is 8,200,000 more. So how many likes does Cristiano's post have? So we basically just need to add 8.2 million onto 22.1 million. So we get 30.3, but of course we need to put million at the end of it. So the most liked photo on Instagram has more than the total number of likes by Cristiano and Lionel's combined by 3 million. So how many likes does the most liked post on Instagram have? So we can add Messi and Ronaldo together. So 22.1 and 30.3, which is 52.4. And then we need to add another 3 million onto that. So we add 3 onto the units to get 55.4 million. So that's for the most liked picture on Instagram. So can we guess who posted the most liked photo or what the photo was of. So I don't think we'll actually get either here unless you already knew it. So it was posted by Chris Godfrey, and it's actually just a photo of an egg. And here is the picture of the egg that is currently the most liked post on Instagram of all time. Crazy, eh? But anyway, folks, there we have it, our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories for the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.